Shukran Allah walhamdulillah. Shukran Allah walhamdulillah. Shukran Allah.
Hey guys, I wanted to end Shreya Saptah and begin the month of July by doing a Brides of India video, as I've missed these videos for 2 months, but now I'm back on track. So today I wanted to do a Walima bride, and yes, if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. I'm starting off by using a sheet mask, as it will prep my skin for makeup and give me a nice glow. Just apply a sheet mask on your skin, let it stay on your skin for 15 minutes. You can use the extra serum on your hands, on your neck, on your body, wherever you prefer. You can also refrigerate the sheet mask to cool your skin down if you are having a summer wedding. After 15 minutes, just take the sheet mask off and massage whatever serum's left into your skin. Then I'm taking Kielh's lip balm and I'm moisturizing my lips prior to any sort of makeup to prep my lips up. For primer, I'm using MAC Strobing cream in Peachlite, and I will apply this all over my face. This will not only give me a beautiful glow, but will also prepare my skin for makeup and keep it in place all day long. For foundation, I'm using Kryolan Supracolor base, and oh my god, I forgot how much I love this foundation. The coverage is full, you guys. This is probably my first full coverage foundation. If you are looking to do your own makeup, like own wedding makeup, you must check out Kryolan. There is a Kryolan store in Delhi in Lajpat Nagar. Do check it out. They have awesome stuff and they're professional and they're not super expensive as well. You can see a half and half difference here in real time, how much of a difference the foundation has made, and my skin looks so much more even toned. Can you see? That's like a huge difference. So I'm just doing the other side now before moving on to the other base products. For concealer, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me today, and I'm first only going to do my eyes, both my under eyes as well as my eyelid, and I'm going to blend it out. So I'm just applying it on my under eyes right now, both sides of course, and then my eyelids, and I'm going to blend it in place first. I'm using PAC 2D blender for this. And once my under eye concealer is all blended out, I'm actually going to move on to concealing the other parts or highlighting the other parts of my face. So that's my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow, the corners of my mouth, my chin, and right under where I would place my contour. And then I'm going to put a little bit of concealer just on my orbital bone. I'm going to start blending everything out, but I'm going to leave the orbital bone concealer for the last. This will make sure that it gets a little bit of time in settling down and giving me more coverage. Your orbital bone is the most hollow part of your eyes, so make sure you conceal it well. I'm just blending everything out. Take your time with the blending. And now I'm blending my under eye orbital bone concealer. You just want to blend it in place. You don't want to move it. Then I'm taking the NYX Contour Kit and using the yellow banana shade. I'm just going to pat it under my eyes. You see, I'm patting and not swiping. If you swipe, it will move the concealer and will give you lesser coverage. So just pat it on your eyes and under eyes. I'm also patting it around my mouth because I tend to crease there, but you can obviously use a compact powder for the rest of your face. Using a contour color, I'm just going to contour my face. For all of the bridal makeup, I would highly suggest you place your contour slightly higher than normal. This will give you a more chiseled effect in the furrows that you're going to get clicked. I'm also contouring my jawline to make my jaw look sharper and get rid of that double chin. Then I'm going to use the Nykaa blusher. I'm using the darker shade and I'm going to put it on my cheeks. I'm just going to smile and apply it there for that blushing bridal look. For that beautiful glow, I'm going to use Loumanizer and I'm just going to apply it on the tops of my cheekbones with the help of a tiny fan brush by PAC. I'm also going to apply it on the tip of my nose and on my forehead just above where my eyebrows start, and also on my cupid's bow for an overall glow. I'm just going to set my face with the help of LA Girl Pro Setting Spray. I'm going to take a quick little shower and then roll my beauty sponge all over it. Using Browzings from Benefit, I'm going to use the powder shade and I'm going to fill into my eyebrows. So I'm first just mapping out where I want my eyebrows to be, like how thick and everything. And then I'm going to go in the growth of my hair and fill into my eyebrows to just frame my face better. Using MAC Amber x 9 palette, I'm going to start doing my eye makeup with this brown color right here. And I'm going to put it in my crease and blend it out nicely. So just take your time with the blending. Blending is the most important part of any eye makeup look, you guys. Next, I'm taking this deeper brown and again I'm just putting it in my crease, just making sure it's nicely blended with the previously put brown as well and just smoking it out. I'm also going to put it on my lower lash line, which I will smoke later too. Taking this beautiful duochrome color, I'm just going to apply it all over my lid as my base color. I missed a little bit of warmth, so I took my contouring kit again and I used this warm brown to put in my crease and just make the colors pop a little bit more. Using glitters from TF Cosmetics, I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelid. This is in the shade Bronx and it's such a gorgeous color, I can't even. Then I also took Taffy just to bring a little bit light to my look, and I'm just going to apply it on top of Bronx, and it just instantly makes a world of a difference. I'm just going to blend everything in my crease so there are no harsh edges. Next up, I'm going to highlight my inner corner with this shade and I'm going to apply it on my inner corners as well as right under my brow bone to bring some light. I'm going to dust off any fallout, if any at all. And then I'm going to take this Face Shop in Graffiti liner and I'm going to make a nice and bold wing liner. So I'm just drawing my lines, filling them in. Again, this is a step you want to take your own sweet little time with because it can go really wrong. I'm also extending my inner corner for a nice Arabic and cat eye look. Using MAC Feline Liner, I'm just going to line my waterline as well as my tight line for that nicely cold rimmed eye. And then I'm also going to use the Big Shot Colossal Mascara to make sure my lashes have a lot of volume to them before applying and going in with my falsies. So of course, just do it on your upper and lower lashes. And then I'm taking these beautiful lashes in the style Soho by Glomier Lashes and applying them on top of my own lashes to make my eyes look more open, wide and awake. For lips, I'm using Forever Fuchsia by PAC and I'm going to line and fill in my lips. This will just ensure my lipstick stays in place for a longer period of time, and even when it does disappear, it has a nice tint to it behind. So yes, I'm just filling in my lips with this gorgeous color, and then I'm going to move on to Liquid Suede by NYX and I'm going to apply it all over my lips. As you can see, my lip liner is slightly darker than my lipstick. I would suggest you do that too, like the same family but slightly darker. This will just help in your lipstick having a tint even after it's like completely worn off. And with that, we are done with the makeup. This is the complete makeup look. And now for the clothing and the jewelry. This is how my getup looked like. My clothing is from Rouche, Couture and Shahpurjat. I will leave all of the links for you guys in the bottom bar. And all of my jewelry is from Suhana Arts and Jewels in Shahpurjat as well. I loved how this look turned out and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. If you did, then don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you all so much and I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.